Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to sync your audio with your video on a CapCut by iPhone or iOS. So here I already have the audio here with the clip of it. So I want to make sure that the length of my audio is just with the length of the clip on my project, and I want to delete the rest. And now the things that we're gonna do is just click the audio section until it is in active mode, and then after it's being active there are several features in the bottom. Just now click the beats over here, click it, and then choose the auto generate, and then it will be generated automatically to have a beat, and then we just need to click done. Okay, and now let's make it like bit large by resizing it. And then if you can see like the circles bottom with the yellow color, that's just the bit that we can adjust with the clip. So now make sure that the length of the clip is just stop in the yellow sign on it. After that, just click the clip like that, and then just split and then delete the rest of the clip and do the repetition into the second and the fourth clip. Okay, and then just make the clip active and then split and then delete for the rest, and do the same on the third clip. Make the clip in active mode, split and delete it. And now just let's have a test. Does it match with the beats? And now it's already synced. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe into this channel.